Okay, we're going to do a little sound comparison of the Sony XB33 and the JBL Charge 4. So
Yeah! The party's going on, y'all! Bootleg Booty Mix 9-7 DJ Smurf MC Shot D.
Yeah, check this out. My name is Freak Nasty, and you know I can't let it pass. You know what I'm saying. Check it out. If you ain't freaking, 12 gauge and I definitely ain't speaking. But if you are freaking, 12 gauge got something to tell you right now.
Yeah! This that new joint! Well, let me see you freak out by my man 12 gauge, you know what I'm saying? You're hearing it first right here on the Bootleg Boot Mix 97. But I want y'all to run out and get a copy of this joint. Check it out. Giving a shout out to Power Records. Check it out.
Young flow, dance, freak out, now show me some more. Let's go, let's ride. Push it, pop it, shove it, rub it. Love it the way you freak out. Girl, show what it's all about. So shake it right, drop it down, scrub the ground. Make that freak sound. Cause girl, I wanna see you climb. I wanna see that booty bounce. I once got busy with a big bone freak that was built like 40 ounce. So don't hold
So that is the sound comparison between the two speakers. Now to me, I think the JBL sounds a little bit better. The higher range has a little more detail to it. It's a little bit cleaner. The Sony speaker is a little darker sounding in the mids and highs, but the vocals, from some other stuff I've listened to, the vocals in the Sony seem to be a little more little louder than they are in the JBL. So the vocals tend to stand out a little bit more in the Sony. Now if you'd heard at 60%, the JBL Charge 4 is noticeably louder than the XB33. Same at 80%, not quite as much. And then I also tested these at 100% volume. When you get to 100% volume, the two speakers are pretty close together. So the volume scale on the Sony tends to ramp up higher in range, whereas the JBL is a little more even. That's why you see at 60% the JBL is noticeably louder. So at max volume they're really close, maybe 1-2 dBs apart, give or take. The Sony just is not as loud lower in volume. So basically what that means is if you want to have it louder, you're going to have to play it louder and you're going to eat battery faster. So anyway, that's the two speakers compared against each other. Let me know what you guys think. But I still think the JBL beats this Sony XB33. Anyway, like and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. That's just my opinion. And I'm out.